Vlogmas. I am in my car outside my local Dollar Tree. It's freezing outside, but I've braved the weather. I wanted to take you along with me and show you how I use the Dollar Tree this time of year to make the holidays easier. This is going to be stuff like gift wrap, teacher's gifts, stocking stuffer, holiday party prep. It's like a hack video, so I'm going to take you aisle by aisle, show you what you need to be looking for this time of year and how I shop Dollar Tree in December. So the first thing I want to talk about is wrapping. I get a lot of my gift wrapping needs at the Dollar Tree. They have gorgeous gift bags and they have new patterns every single year. This year they're really hitting it out of the ballpark with like these really fun farm vintage designs. I also love to get like tissue paper and shirt boxes at the Dollar Tree, a lot of like little mini gift bags, a lot of gift card holders, bows. I don't always get like my wrapping paper at the Dollar Tree because it can sometimes be on the thin side, but definitely all those like additional items you need for wrap, look to the Dollar Tree, especially tape. I love to have plenty of rolls of tape on hand when I do my wrapping so I don't run out. I also love to go to the Dollar Tree for stocking stuffers, especially this time of year. They put out name brand candy in these really charming holiday festive boxes. There's gonna be your favorite candy there, I promise. There's something there for all age ranges. They've got chocolates, they've got fruit candies. This year they had a lot of new stuff that I'd never seen before, like these holiday Haribo candies. These are perfect for stocking stuffers. And then like other little toys and things for kids. My daughter would absolutely love these play packs. You know we love Disney in my household. Little stuffed animals, little games, a lot of stuff for kids. A lot of different age ranges too. I found this pack of Play-Doh. You got 6 different cans of Play-Doh in one bag. I definitely picked that up. I haven't let my daughter play with Play-Doh yet, but I think she'll like this. I loved this little chocolate truck. If you've got a little kid who is into trucks, this would be perfect. I know somebody who is gonna love this. And then I picked up one of these giant candy canes with Mickey on it. My daughter loves Mickey, and I love this little retro vintage Mickey design. That's perfect, but they had a ton of different characters. And then of course, it's not just about the kids. There's great stocking stuffers for adults. I love these cotton Yes To face masks. They sell these at Target for like $3 and they're just $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I found this Art of Shaving sample kit. Art of Shaving is an upscale shaving store and this is perfect for $1. I think you got 3 mini items. I picked up a couple of those, and then I also found these different beard products that I'd never seen at the Dollar Tree before. They had like beard balm, beard wash, a lot of really fun, interesting men grooming things, and they're name brand. There's stuff that you would spend a ton more money for if you were at like Walgreens or CVS. They also had really great women's toiletry items. This Cutex brand hand cream, foot cream, great for winter. There really is something for everybody. And then moving on from stockings to another type of gift, I'm picking up items for my daughter's teachers this year, and I'm giving them Starbucks gift cards, but to make it a little more personal, I'm gonna give them each a mug from the Dollar Tree. They've got so many fun designs, and then I can add a Christmas card into those teachers' gifts. Dollar Tree has amazing Christmas cards this time of year. They have Hallmark brand that are just 2 for $1, so they're 50 cents each, and they've got dozens and dozens and dozens of designs. I know you'll find something that you love. You can also pick up Christmas thank you cards here if you need to send thank you cards to anybody that has sent you a gift. And then if you are mailing packages, I would totally go to Dollar Tree and stock up on your supplies. They've got packing tape, they've got all sorts of packing material, boxes, packing envelopes, packing paper, like the brown wrapping paper that you wrap up your packages. I am mailing a ton of different packages this year, so this was somewhere that I totally needed to go. I love these padded envelopes. They're perfect for things like if you're making like a holiday album. I do a photo album for the grandparents, so this is the kind of thing that would be perfect to mail those. And then I like to pick up these like holiday craft activities. It's snowy where we live, so we're gonna be indoors a lot. There's gonna be snow days, and these are great for entertaining my toddler. She absolutely loves these, keeps her occupied. It's just $1. These little foam shapes come with stickers you can stick on, and then they make really great little add-on gifts that she can give to her grandparents, her aunts and uncles. And when I'm doing like party prep, I like to come to the Dollar Tree and stock up on these kinds of like paper kitchen products. I like to get the Ziploc bags here, tin foil. I like to have excess of this so I don't have to stress. I know I have plenty of it. I use those gallon bags for like marinating, for storing leftovers. If I'm having people over, I want to have a ton of this stuff so I don't have to worry about it. They also have $1 Bounty paper towels. That I've never seen that price beaten. That's a great place to just stock up. You know you're gonna need a ton for the holidays anyway. And then also, of course, like your paper plates, your paper napkins. They have the cutest paper napkin designs this year. I like to have a lot of this on hand. If I have guests over, I want people to feel like they can help themselves to a plate of leftovers or an extra slice of cake without them feeling like, oh, I don't want to dirty a dish for you. Just set this stuff out and then they know they can help themselves without worrying about it. This would be great too if you were having like a little cocktail party or something like that. And that is it for you guys today. I hope I inspired you to go check out what your Dollar Tree has. Remember, I'm doing Vlogmas. That means a new video every single day in December leading up to Christmas. So hit that red subscribe button so you can follow along. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.